Okay,
we're done.
we are done. This is the result. Like before we just do. But the question is, before the example is a bit bigger, that's the funniest thing. And this is a bit smaller. So this is the big version and we make the small version. If you want to make the big one, this is the example with eyelashes. And this one is the smaller version. Big or small? Like. Because we don't know what you say. Because we are in TV. We cannot chat because we are in the TV, okay? So like in the comment and we can see it. Bye! Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel, Lucky and Angel. So first, we are gonna make another video. Rainbow clouds. This is the example. You see it? Clear? Get a thumbs up. And then we are gonna make one. It's easy for simple. If your kids can do it, that's amazing. So for this, it's so easy. You just need one paper. When you draw the cloud too big, you have to get another paper, not eraser. Okay, this is what are we gonna make? Do you remember? Okay, let's go make it. First, we have to make the clouds. So draw the clouds. When your kids cannot do it, just make like this over and over until it is closed. It's so easy. Okay, this is the example. You see it? Okay. Then, the next one, make 6 straight lines. If you have more markers, you can stick them, but you can draw as many lines as you can. We only have 6 markers. That is beautiful. So we're gonna put 6 lines. If you don't understand, here's the example. You make a straight line and make another one and make it over and over. When you don't know, just copy us. Okay? Over and over and over. If you have more marker, remember, you can draw more lines than us. Okay? You want to make the cloud bigger, get a bigger paper and then draw a bigger cloud and a bigger line. That's how you make it bigger. But today we're gonna make the small one. The big one will take 4 ages to finish. So we'll make the small one. If you want, you can make the big one. Same thing, but it's a bit bigger, okay? Let's go keep continue so this doesn't waste time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to make it easier, we are gonna cut it so when you get out of the line it's okay because we are gonna cut it. Beside this, when you get this out of the line, you have to repeat again. Wait, we don't need to do the scissors. To make it easier for kids, make a straight line. If you cannot see, here's the example. I mean this. You make a straight line at the top. You see it? Okay, now let's go keep continue. Next, we get our colors. Lucky, which one do you want? Which color do you want?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, we're gonna start with blue. Light or dark?
Light.
Okay, we'll go with the light one for now.
I mean dark.
Okay, dark. Dark. So we'll make a dark. gonna color all the lines. So make sure do it on different colors, okay? If you want to use, yes. Then make sure this doesn't get off this line. Going down is okay because we are gonna cut it. It's okay, except this line. Except this line, okay? Let's go keep continue so we don't waste time that I just tell you before, okay? Okay, as you guys see, I'm done. Next, we are gonna cut. But here's the question. If you want, you can cut this one first. If you want to color, it's okay, but we are not gonna color because when we are gonna draw the eyes and mouth, it will be hard. It will be mixed up our markers, so I don't want that to happen to my markers. So I'm not gonna color it, but we are gonna color this one, okay? I mean cut them, not color. Color. No disturb me, help me. Okay. So we go with 1. To make it easier, guys, if you're all watching, see closely if you want to make. So this, to make it easier for kids, just do it in line and then you cut this one. Or else when your kids cut already like that, it will be hard. Like we are still a kid. And we have to do that. To make it easier, want to make it challenging? Do it. I don't know. If you want to tell us, like in the comment.
And comment below.
Yes.
So guys, we're almost done.
Yes, only a few more steps. This is so simple. Do you memorize it? Just tell us. Like
and big subscriber.
Yes.
Well, I big subscriber, please. We so hard to make them.
Yeah, this is very challenging for kids. But it's easy and simple. Your kids will love it.
A baby.
Actually, this is useful for girls because girls maybe love rainbows. Like the girls that you are watching me, I think you will love it. Who love rainbows? Get a big thumbs up and comment so we know.
Cover wheel. Big
If you still cannot cut it down, that means when you cannot cut this one, that means you have to cut this one a little bit more. Guys, when you draw, don't use pen or else you get mistake. You have to start.
Wait.
So make sure you use basilic, use pencil, okay? No pen.
Big for draw, not for kid. Okay, guys?
To make it easier. Okay, we are done with the last piece. Now we are gonna cut the cloud. The big cloud. And then the next part is sticking. Make sure your hand doesn't get big. Next is cutting the clouds. But cutting is very hard, so we are gonna draw the eyes first. Okay guys, this is a mistake. No. We cut the clouds first before drawing the eyes and mouth, okay? Where's my scissors? Oop. we get our glue. Guys, if you have any trash, get a toothbrush and get it off. When there's a marker and then you put it too hard, you can clean it, guys. If you don't have extra toothbrush, just put it down like this, and then the dust will go out. Okay. Okay, next we are gonna glue it to the clouds down here. If you have no space, it's okay. You can go here, here, here. Okay? If you make it too big, it's okay. But basically, you put it down here, not over there, okay? So you put it like this.
Okay.
Okay, if you see we put glue that you cannot see because it's clear, because don't put it back here, okay? You're gonna do it one by one, nice and easy. So we get the cloud, we put it back here. And then the result, when you put it back here, look how nice is it. Don't put it at front, okay?
Get to do your dad.
Oopsie mistake. Never mind, because I haven't put glue. Okay. Next, we put it the same. Continue and continue until it's done. And then, okay, we are done. It's getting so pretty for girls, not boys. I think boys don't like it. If boys like it, just like in the comment. Remember, this is the result now. The result. Do you like it so far? But we are missing eyes. So we have some extra markers here.
We forgot eyes and nose and mouth.
You want to make it girl or boy? You want to make it girl or boy?
Boy.
Okay, we'll make it boy. But this is rainbow, so I think girls much better.
Boy.
Okay, boy. Guys, you think boys or girls? Like in the comment. But who should we tell? Maybe our dad? Should. Daddy, which should we do? Boys or girls?
Girls.
Great. Great. For girls, our dad picked girls. So, and then the other question is, do you want blue or yellow, Dad?
Blue.
Okay, we'll use blue color. Eyelashes or no eyelash?
No eyelash.
Okay. Your dad is really fun.
Already funny.
Yeah. Ethel, he is fun. And she act. He also have a channel. You should check it out. Nico Onggowasito. And actually, our name is Jesslyn Onggowasito and Benson Onggowasito. But we changed our name. And this is our result. Do you see it? I think we should write our name.
Yeah.
So, where's... So, L... Angel. How to spell your name?
B.
No, your name. Your short name. Lucky. Will, Lucky, Angel and Lucky. And
Lucky Angel.
no, my name is not Lucky Angel. So maybe we can make the nose heart. Let's go put a little heart over there for the nose. Maybe the cheeks, we can make it red or orange. Orange will be much better. Let's go make a little cheek. No. Okay guys, we finished finally. We already end the video. This is the result. Do you like it? If you follow it, like in the comment. We'll see your comment. Subscribe and like.
subscribe for our leg. Mình có like it.